What is going on, guys? My name is Paul, and in today's video I'll show you how I pack freight. And before I show you, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more, and here we go. This is a 2020 ProMaster slide door. Got it all packed up and it's ready for the truck. So let's get into the video and show you how I built it. Alright, so I gotta rip that to 12 inches. And then that basically would be the edging. So I will screw on the edging all around it. Then that door I'll place in the middle, and then 3 or 4 layers of cardboard at the bottom, a couple layers of cardboard on the side, just so the door is kind of laying against the wall. And then we'll drop in that, and then out of all the pieces that I have left over, I'll just close up this piece. So yeah, let's get to it. And probably I'm gonna leave today and come back tomorrow and finish this up. I got the door. This is one of the biggest doors I've packed so far. I got pool noodles on the edge. I got 2 layers of bubble wrap and 2 layers of it's a double cardboard. Just in case this door ever moves back and forth, the bubble wrap will prevent it from having scratches. So yeah, this is how you build a pallet for freight. It takes a long time building one of these, and a lot of times I use nail gun to nail it all, but lately all my customers have been asking if I could just use screws. That way, whenever they receive it, it's way easier to undo. It's all on screws, and I usually use Phillips for most of my crate building. A lot of times I do get stars and square bits, but I try to use Phillips on all. I don't know if you can see that, but all right, let's rip that to 12 inches and then wrap up that box. Alright, that will be a wrap for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.